Broken window seals causing heat loss can seriously hike up your energy bills and make your home feel like a freezer, so fixing them fast is a total game changer. Okay, so first off, if you notice fog or condensation between your double pane windows, that's a dead giveaway your seal is busted. You can't just slap some caulk on this and call it a day. The insulating glass unit actually needs replacing to stop the heat from sneaking out. Start by measuring your window panes carefully so you get the right replacement size. Then, get comfy with removing the old glass without smashing anything. Wear gloves and take it slow. When you install the new insulating glass unit, make sure it fits snug and is properly sealed to keep that warm air inside where it belongs. Also, check the window frame itself for cracks or gaps and seal those up with weather stripping or foam to prevent drafts. Doing this can seriously improve your home's insulation and save you a bunch of cash on heating. Lastly, keep an eye on your windows seasonally for any signs of seal failure before it turns into a bigger problem. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with broken window seals causing heat loss is ignoring the problem until their energy bills skyrocket. Waiting too long can lead to mold growth or even structural damage, so swap out that insulating glass unit as soon as you spot the issue. Another common slip-up is trying to fix the seal themselves with cheap DIY kits that don't replace the actual glass, which won't stop heat loss and just wastes your time and money. The fix? Hire a pro who knows how to handle insulating glass units properly. Finally, folks often forget to check and maintain the window frame itself, which can let cold air in no matter how good the glass is. Sealing around the frame is key to making your fix last. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to window repairs and replacements. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to find new clients and grow their business without all the hassle of marketing on their own.